sing that shit.
Alright y'all, here's the WHOLESUN pressure washer. So we got the trigger and the wand, spool, 4 different nozzles. Here's the holster for your gun there. 4 different nozzles, right? Nice and heavy, looks like good quality. This is for the wires to hold them up. And you know, they've included a set of screws and a pick, by the way, which I assume is for cleaning the nozzles, so that's really good. There's nothing in the manual that talks about this brush here, and I mean, I guess I can use this on something other than cars, like your house or something like that. But yeah, anyway, looks like a good unit. This fits in the palm of my hand, man. So I don't know if this is a joke or whatever, but anyway, it's included with the unit. It still looks like it's nice quality. It's just, I think it'll run out fast. WHOLESUN pressure washer. Pretty nice design, lightweight. Everything hooked up pretty nicely. I feel like it's very light, and so if you pull this kind of too much, it sort of topples over. So anyway, got my water source, power, foam cannon, lance, and just a car we're going to try to give a quick clean on. We're just going to do the wheels. Foam cannon, the Tool Daily foam cannon. For some reason it just wouldn't spray well, and it seemed to have issues with, you know, how well the foam sprayed. So I ended up using that tiny funny bottle that came with the actual WHOLESUN pressure washer. So it works well. You know, even the included attachments with the different angle sprays are doing just fine. So again, my concern is that it's going to run out of product too quickly, and they'll have to kind of keep replacing it or keep adding it, and that doesn't seem very efficient. So I'm going to reach out to the manufacturer for a Tool Daily foam cannon to see what's going on.